in the promotion of human dignity. It promotes the concern for the poor and the underprivileged in our society. And number 3, enhances, protects, and promotes honesty in keeping with Christ's call. The Catholic Church in Kenya also promotes communion. It upholds solidarity and subsidiarity. Now, in order to formulate pastoral endeavors and configurations that would be able to help the conference to achieve these core values. Therefore, the conference coordinates, implements those that the church may be able to fulfill the mission that it has here on earth in the way and in the manner that it has received from Jesus Christ himself. Among other tools, KCCB uses largely the institutes of learning at all levels systems, and so that we may be able to help our people to know and to form, and not just formation intellectually, but also formation in moral character and formation in knowing who God is and to serve God. In the promotion of human dignity, as we talked about, are the privileged and those who are downtrodden, the church is also involved in the institutions of medical health care, and so that a human person may lead a dignified life. And this is where the government and the church do meet, when both the major institutions do meet to serve human dignity. And therefore, they are complementaries. As I wind up, I just want to take this opportunity to congratulate Bishop Wallace Nganga, KCCB, and by extension the military ordinariate as a diocese. And like somebody has said, we have a lot of confidence that Bishop, you'll be able to take up your challenge and take it very ably, very protected as you give this service to these people. I don't think there is anybody who can touch you. Looking at how things are, we are confident that you are very safe in this environment. But just a final appeal, I hear we will be visiting you as much as we can. Thank you very much. God bless you. And now I take this opportunity to call upon Bishop Joseph Obanyi, bishops and other guests who are here, and later he will invite the chairman of Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops. Welcome, Bishop Obanyi.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya and the Commander-in-Chief of the... We recognize the presence of Ambassador Monica Juma, National Advisor for Security, the PSMOD, Governor Marsabit, the Chief of Defense Forces, who is our host, and His Excellency, the Archbishop and Metropolitan Archbishop Philip Anyolo, the Bishop Chairman of the Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops, Archbishop Maurice Mohatia Makumba. It's my honor now, on behalf of the Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops, to present to us the bishops who have graced this occasion today as we celebrate the installation of the military ordinariate in Kenya. I wish then to present first the most Reverend His Excellency Hubertus Van Mergen, the Nuncio of in Kenya. Then welcome the Archbishop of Nairobi, Archbishop Philip Anyolo, who is here today. We have the chairman who will say something later. Archbishop Maurice Mohatia Makumba, the Eminence John Cardinal Njue, Archbishop Emeritus of Nairobi. We have Right Reverend Bishop Wallace Nganga, the ordinary of the military ordinariate of Kenya. Right Reverend Bishop David Kamau, Auxiliary Bishop of Nairobi. Right Reverend Bishop Joseph Mbatia, Bishop of Nyahururu. Right Reverend Paul Kihara,